everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different breakfast recipes to increase your protein. So if you see my previous videos, I've really been on this journey to eating more protein because I realized that I really haven't eaten much protein. All I was eating my whole life was carbs. There are multiple reasons for that. Number one, I wasn't able to digest animal meat too well, so that's why I kind of lived in a way like a pescatarian life, and I just felt like that made me feel better. But as I started eating more protein, I think my body got used to it and now I'm able to digest it really well. But I've also been on this journey to have breakfast every day now. Today I'm going to be making this cottage cheese bowl. If you guys are on TikTok and Instagram, you know how viral these ground beef cottage cheese bowls are. So I'm making this like a breakfast version. Let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna stick this into the air fryer. Prepare everything. We're done in the air fryer. I'm gonna dunk them into some cold water for now. Let's crack these eggs. Perfect. Let's go with everything but the bagel seasoning. This has salt and everything, so I don't think it needs extra salt, but go ahead and add extra salt if you'd like. We'll end it with some dill. My husband requested some sourdough, so I'll get that going for him. I usually do all my breakfast with warm lemon water, but today I haven't had it yet. I'll mix this lemon juice. Well, maybe the dill is necessary. Same with that little bit of a kick from the chili onion. So 13 grams protein in half a medium plus avocado. 1 gram plus 13 grams plus, so 26 grams. 26 grams of protein in this bowl. See you tomorrow with the next one. Good morning, it's the next day and it's bright and sunny. I love the weather. I'm about to make a power wrap. So it's gonna be filled with a lot of protein. I'm just gonna make this really tasty for my husband. I have some hash browns here. And we'll also have, I have like 2 sausages, even though one is like broken. We'll add some eggs, spinach, avocado, all that in there. 3 net grams of carbs. So even if it says 33 grams of carbs, 30 grams is from fiber, so you have to subtract that out. This is a really healthy option. Oh, this also has 8 grams of protein, guys. 20 grams of carbs in this wrap. So it's gonna be a super tasty and not the healthiest, but you know, sometimes you gotta give in a little. Let's begin. See if I can separate. I just need 2. Oh, we got exactly 2 in here. I'll use like 2 eggs. Roughly rip it apart. to make a slit because we're gonna do the 4-way. So, yes. Make a slit down the middle like this, like a Pac-Man. They're all done. I'm also gonna give this a rough chop. This side, on this side. Fold it. Let's cut into this and see how it looks. My lemon water and my wrap. Missing sriracha. I hope this bite is complete. Wow, that's a good wrap. Wow, that is so good. Last day of our breakfast series. Today we're gonna end it with the bang, and it's gonna be the breakfast that has the most amount of protein. 30 grams of protein. We are going to be making a small Greek yogurt bowl, but savory style. And we'll also enjoy it with a little slice of sourdough bread. Did you guys know that sourdough actually contains a good amount of protein? It's one of the healthier breads. They say if you're gonna eat carbs or if you wanna eat bread, sourdough is the way to go. I have a little bit of red onions left over. This rough chop. If you guys don't like spicy, opt out of this one. We have some peppers here. I'm gonna take a quick lemon water break. So kielbasa is a Polish sausage, and honestly, I don't think I like any other sausage, but this I actually really like. Normally with garbanzo beans, I use these. So I put it in submerge it in some water overnight. Next day, drain that water out, get new water, and boil it. But I clearly did not have enough time and was not in the right headspace yesterday to think ahead. So we're just gonna go ahead and use some good old canned ones. These colors look amazing. Make our Greek yogurt spread. Look, guys. That's our meal. Our last meal together. Let's eat this. Jalapeno. Oh my, very spicy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe and this entire video in general. I feel like eating high protein meals is one of the best ways to care about your nutrition. That's something that I haven't been doing, and I've noticed the difference in how I feel throughout the day and how full I feel, and I'm eating way less junk food than I used to. Try out high protein diets. Let me know if you guys like these, and if you guys would like more. I can even do like a Korean version. I don't know how I would do it. I've would have to really plan and think about that one, but thanks for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.